This is the Italian design quintessenza. Look at this. They just lift this, and the headrests become the leg rests, just like that. Like that. Okay. Now look at this. Ready? And it has a very cool feature. That's the logo. Watch this. This car has no key. Instead, use your phone. So this comes out, and when you want to use it, you pop it in, the car turns on. And you can either stargaze from the back, or you can have everything facing forward. How cool is that?